Okay, everybody's on live now. Chakadi, you happy now, son?
Alright, everyone. As we pass by Lazy Pete and Oscar,
Shit on your
we're
life.
going to be entering our African coastline, where you'll meet my personal closest friend on this tour, Elsie the elephant. Elsie stands at 7 feet tall and is made out of 252,000 Lego bricks. And she loves saying hello and goodbye. So can everyone wave and say, hi, Elsie?
Hi. Elephant. Two on.
And now can everyone say hi, Elsie?
Two lo cho bạn nào. Say hello to elephant. Hello elephant. Hello elephant.
Oh, no, it looks like our friend Steve was left hanging up ahead. Hang in there, Steve.
Whoa!
Watch out, watch out!
Watch out! Watch out! Whoa! Whoa!
Alright, but don't worry too much about Steve. He's been hanging in there for over 20 years. I don't think he'll Lego anytime soon.
Oh, okay, good.
And as you pass by Steve, we're going to be getting started on a quick world tour that our master builders here at Legoland have created for us. Our first stop on our tour will be right up ahead in London, England.
And then give a selfie stick. You have it on the shortest setting possible.
Okay, Chakadi, let me down here.
Num num.
I got trouble again. Second time I got trouble. So.
Alright, everyone, here in London we have London Eye at Elizabeth Tower.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Got the real
I
Elizabeth
thought you
Tower.
got trouble.
The bell inside is called Big Ben.
No?
Fun fact about our Elizabeth Tower is that the time on the clock is completely accurate. And can anybody tell me why England is considered the wettest country? It's because the Queen has been reigning there for years. Alright everyone, and as we head out of London, you'll see our famous Lionsgate Bridge approaching up ahead. Each lion on top of this bridge is made out of 17,000 Lego bricks. And I'm not lying about that. Now here at Coast Cruise, we do have another name for this bridge. We like to call it the Waffle Bridge, because it looks like a waffle underneath. And if you don't get that joke, I guess it'll just go right over your head.
Hi, baby.
Watch your head, son. The bridge, that's the bridge. Watch your head.
That's the waffle bridge.
Oh, waffle bridge, okay. Look at
Coming up here to our left is the Taj Mahal. The real Taj Mahal was built in India in the 17th century, and it took 22,000 workers over 20 years to complete.
Oh, right here in Afghanistan.
It should
Taj
take
Mahal
quite
right
that
there.
long to build,
See,
but it is made out of
Trump's casino, son.
143,000 Lego
Look
bricks.
at Donald Trump's casino
Here at
back there.
Coast Cruise, we like to call it the Taj Mahal,
Taj Mahal from India.
because it's not Taj Mahal.
Oh, that's nice one, son.
Alright, but I'm so sorry, I promise that is Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal casino in Jersey. That's what it was, son.
Our next stop on our tour will be in Paris, France, where we have the Eiffel Tower. Now the real Eiffel Tower was built in 1889, stands at 1,000 feet tall, and weighs 10,000 tons. Ours isn't quite that tall or heavy. It's only 17 feet tall, but it is made out of 117,000 Lego bricks. And if you look to the very top of it, you're sure to get an eyeful.
Oh, nice. Whoa. Something dropped back there.
As we say goodbye to Paris, we'll be returning to the United States. In the Black Hills
that's
of South Dakota,
President,
we have our Mount Rushmore Monument, which uses 232,000 Lego bricks and features the faces of Presidents George Washington, Thomas Jefferson, Theodore Roosevelt, and Abraham Lincoln. Now our presidents have been having some rocky conversations recently. Looks like George has something stuck in his ear. Let's take a listen.
Oh, this is Caij trong sách there. Look at this. Look at the president, the picture of the president. Whoa, nice. Everything built by Legoland. Everything built by Lego. I know. The eyes moving. Whoa, it's real, son. Everything built by Lego. Whoa, look at
Alright
that.
everyone, as we leave Mount Rushmore, we're going to be heading into Miniland, USA, where we have cities like New York, Las Vegas, San Francisco, and many others made entirely out of Lego. Miniland uses a total of 60 million Lego bricks. Imagine stepping on all those Legos. Right in front of us, we have the Statue of Liberty, and behind her, you'll see the New York Manhattan skyline, which uses 8 million Lego bricks. And we also have the Brooklyn and Manhattan bridges right up ahead.
Oh, Jagannath, that's nice. Oh, look at the bridge.
And up here to the left, we'll be passing by a pile of rocks. I would make a joke about it, but I think you might take it for granted. And now we're going to be heading back to the Waffle Bridge for a second helping of shade. Can anybody tell me what you call a waffle you dropped in the sand?
I don't know.
Here at Legoland, we call it a sandy eggo.
Oh,
Say thank you.
no.
Yeah, good to know. Thank you so much. Say that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Whoa, everything is nice. There's an airplane coming over too.
Alright everyone, our last stop on our tour will be in New England Harbor. This is a very busy and active area, and you never know what could happen here.
Wow, that's a nice one back to Tucson.
Oh no, looks like our poor Frank Gulliver is having some heart problems up ahead. I wouldn't worry too much about it though. It's nothing a little plastic surgery can't fix.
Oh, son, look at the duct.
And as we approach the end of our tour, we're about to be greeted by our resident octopus band, which uses 282,000 Lego bricks and features guest stars like Paul McSharkney on the guitar and Rico Starfish on the clams. And for all you Beatles lovers out there, yes, they are playing in the octopus's garden. Alright everyone, it's been my absolute pleasure to be your guide on Coast Cruise today. Once again, I just ask that everyone remain fully seated with their hands and arms inside and out until we come back on place up. Once the first stop is off, you can exit to your left using the handrail. Please watch your step and don't forget any personal belongings. And yes, that does include your
Oh,
children.
that's nice, huh?
Alright everyone, thanks so much for riding on Coast Cruise. And have a wonderful rest of your day here at Legoland, California.
All right, we're back to the entrance again, John Kennedy.
Alright, mind you guys remain seated just one more moment, please. Thank you.
You're welcome. Jangan di putih.
What? There's a lot of people now.
A lot of people waiting to go to the next boat. All right, thank you so much, everybody. Hey, thank you so much for the captain. Okay, thank you, captain. See you next time. Muchas gracias. Yeah, hold his hand. All right, thank you. Thank you, you too. Muchas gracias, amiga.
这帮了眉头做的眉杯。
哇，别多的没带呗，就小孩了没，别多点梦带呗，就还了梦，多点不带呗，就在还了不啦，我得太带呗，就在还了太，我别说带呗，在了说，我别人拉带呗，就还了人啦，我得梦带，就还了梦，哎，就领带不，我得溜带，就还了溜，就领带就来就起些起不来的考了，现在考了不来啊。OK， 你让我只能到啊，你只能背是晒，我见过我去人家的我那那个海的呢，那个来海的啊，用来我家都发的了，都找的战术家用来长的鼓鼓的时间不蹦难都从来这要家，都也不蹦难来，少少过来的是嘛，我讲都也不蹦难的，我知道啊，时间多，拜拜 everybody。See you guys next time, next video. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Jogandi, say something.
Bye.
Bye. Say CG to Okay, bye bye, everybody.